Okay, I'm going to show you guys how you can access PebbleGo and PebbleGo Next. The first thing you're going to do is log into Clever, and because I'm in the Clever all the time, I have it bookmarked to my toolbar at the top of my Google page. So I'm going to log into Clever. Then I am going to go over to the left-hand panel, and I'm going to actually go to the left-hand panel here, and I'm going to click on Library and Resources. And now all of the library apps are at the top of the page. So it's important that you click Library and Resources. Now, next thing you're going to do is you're going to find PebbleGo. It's orange, pink, white, and yellow. This is the icon. And green, I'm sorry. So you're going to click this icon that says PebbleGo. Once the page loads, you have two options. You have PebbleGo here, which is this page, the blue page, and then you have PebbleGo Next. Because we are doing a specific project, I need you to click on PebbleGo Next. When you click on the purple and white icon, now the page turns purple. You're then going to go down to where you see Abraham Lincoln or biographies, and you're going to click on biographies. This is where you're going to find links to your work that you're going to do today. So you're going to click on African Americans. And from here, dependent on the person that I have assigned you, you will be able to find information about that person. So let's look under civil rights leaders. I gave someone Malcolm X in this group. You're just going to click on Malcolm X's icon, and everything is broken down for you. You have two options here. You can click the tabs at the top, and you can scroll through and read each section so that you can write an informed response in your Nearpod activity. Or what you can do is just scroll down the page. Your choice. If you want, some kids like to have the text read to them. You can click yellow and black icon here. Just listen.
As Malcolm X grew more popular, he started to lose faith in the leadership of the Nation of Islam.
And to stop it, you just click on it again. So this is how you use PebbleGo Next. It's really simple. You know, if you have any problems or if you get stuck for any reason, just reach out to me. Okay? So I expect to see some really good written responses on these important people in African American history. So make sure that you select the African Americans tab under the biography section so that you can get to this portal. Okay, let's get going.